Garlic, the smelly superstar, the flavor bomb, the original immune booster. It wards off vampires, boring food, and sometimes house guests. But guess what? You can grow it right in your backyard. No fancy greenhouse, no garlic PhD, and no need to barter with an old wizard. In this video, you'll learn how to grow big, bold garlic bulbs with the best time to plant. What type of garlic works in your climate? How to plant, mulch, water, and wait patiently. Plus, common garlic growing mistakes, and how to avoid turning your cloves into compost. And of course, the Strong Echo AI gardening app is here to walk you through it. Spacing, watering, pests, and more, all in one place. Drop a comment. Garlic Gladiator if you've grown it before, or Garlic Newbie if you're about to smell victory for the first time. Like and subscribe for more plant-powered tips. And share your worst garlic fail. We love a good, accidentally harvested onion story. Let's grow the stinkin' magic. Because friends, you can grow it. Chapter 1. Choose your garlic fighter. All garlic is awesome, but there are two main types, and picking the right one matters. Garlic types. Hardneck garlic. Grows a flower stalk, called a scape. Bold flavor, easier to peel, fewer cloves per bulb. Loves cold winters. Softneck garlic. No scapes, stores longer, milder flavor, more cloves per bulb. Great for warm climates. Pro tip. Cold winters? Go hardneck. Mild winters? Softneck is your jam. Feeling spicy? Plant both and do a flavor showdown. Mistakes to avoid. Planting store-bought garlic from the supermarket. Many are treated to not sprout. Choosing the wrong type for your climate equals small, sad bulbs. Chapter 2. When to plant. Garlic's long game. Garlic plays the long game. You plant it in 1 year and harvest the next. It's basically a root crop with commitment issues. Best time. Fall planting equals king. Plant 2 to 4 weeks before your first hard frost. Spring planting equals possible, but bulbs will be smaller. Garlic overwinters underground, dreaming of soup recipes and vampire slaying. Mistakes to avoid. Planting too late equals no time to root before winter. Planting too early equals early sprouting, cold damage. Forgetting where you planted it equals mystery green shoots in April. Chapter 3. Soil, spacing, and prepping like a garlic pro. Garlic wants a good bed, not a wild, lumpy, rocky mess. Soil needs loose, well-drained, loamy soil, rich in organic matter. pH 6.0, 7.0. Avoid soggy soil. Garlic hates wet feet. How to prep. Break your garlic bulbs into cloves. Don't peel them. Plant cloves pointy side up, 2 inches deep. Space cloves 4 to 6 inches apart, rows 12 inches apart. Mistakes to avoid. Planting upside down. Garlic confusion. Leaving the whole bulb intact. Bird-tree zero growth. Compact waterlogged soil. Bird-tree rot city. Chapter 4. Mulch and chill. Garlic's winter blanket. Right after planting, mulch like a boss. Best mulch options: straw, not hay, shredded leaves, pine needles, compost. Benefits: keeps soil temperature steady, prevents weeds, moisture retention, makes your garden look like you totally know what you're doing. Chapter 5. Watering and feeding. Garlic doesn't need pampering, but it does like consistency. Watering tips. Keep soil moist but not soggy during growing season. Cut back water once scapes appear or when tops begin to yellow. Stop watering completely 2 to 3 weeks before harvest. Fertilizing. Compost at planting. Add nitrogen-rich fertilizer in early spring when growth begins. Side dress again 3 to 4 weeks later. Mistakes to avoid. Overwatering equals rot. Underwatering during bulb formation equals puny cloves. Feeding too late equals leafy garlic, no bulbs. Chapter 6. Scapes. Nature's edible spiral. If you planted hardneck garlic, you'll see scapes, curly flower stalks. Harvest them. Snap or cut them off in early summer. Bonus harvest. Edible, garlic-flavored greens. Removing scapes redirects energy back into bulb growth. Chapter 7. Harvest time. It's finally happening. It's July. Your garlic tops are yellowing. The moment has arrived. Harvest signs. Lower 3-4 leaves have turned brown. Upper leaves are still green. Use a garden fork to gently lift bulbs. Don't yank. Let them cure in a dry, shady spot with good airflow for 2 to 3 weeks. Mistakes to avoid. Harvesting too early equals tiny bulbs. Waiting too long equals cloves split and rot. Washing after harvest it'll mold city. Chapter 8. Storing garlic like a legend. Once cured, store your garlic properly and it'll last months. Storage tips. Cut stems and roots. Store in a cool, dark, dry place. Mesh bags, baskets, or braid and hang like a garlic chandelier. Shelf life. Hardneck, 3 to 5 months. Softneck, 6 to 9 months. You did it. You planted cloves, mulched like a pro, waited through a whole winter, and now you've got your own stash of homegrown garlic and total bragging rights. No vampires, no supermarket plastic, just you and your spicy-smelling success. Comment Garlic Master if you're harvesting this year, or Garlic Goals if you're just getting started. What's growing and
Get
what
the
you
Strong
can
Echo
plant.
AI gardening app
March.
and get any question
The month
answered
where your
instantly.
garden is half exciting.
Because if you can grow garlic, you can grow it.
Get the most out of your growing season. Troubleshoot any problem with our AI gardening buddy. Hello, AI buddy. I have 3 M2 space left in a shady spot. What can I grow there? Don't include herbs.
Although many vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, there are several types of plants that can tolerate and even thrive in shady spots. Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and kale don't need as much sunlight as some other vegetables.
Get as specific as you need. Hello, AI buddy. It's June in the Netherlands. I'm going on a trip for 5 days. What are some garden watering tips to keep my plants healthy?
If you're going away for a few days, here are some tips to help ensure your garden stays hydrated. 1. Deep watering. A few days before you leave, give your garden a deep watering. This means watering your plants more than you usually would.
Describe your unique situation and let our AI gardening buddy solve your problems. Hello, AI buddy. I don't have a lot of mulch. What is the best way to get mulch without spending a lot of money?
Many towns and cities offer free or cheap mulch made from recycled leaves or wood chips. Contact your local waste facility or public works department to see if they offer this service. Always remember to ask about the source of the mulch to avoid introducing disease or pests into your garden.
Our AI doesn't just provide answers. It helps you see the bigger picture, highlighting key factors you need to consider for smarter decisions. Try it for free on app.stronggecko.com. We all have limited space to grow our crops. We all have just a couple of months in a growing season. Use our AI gardening buddy to get the most out of your garden. You can grow it.